choose a slot to use for this game. Oh no, Polly Parrot talking parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 silly sentences that Polly says. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. Peppa Pig is a silly chicken.
Peppa Pig is a silly chicken.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a red chicken.
Peppa Pig is a red chicken.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Try another one. Mummy Pig is a red frog.
Mummy Pig is a red frog.
Try another one. Mummy Pig is a happy frog.
Mummy Pig is a happy frog.
Try another one. George is a happy frog.
George is a happy frog.
Try another one. George is a happy banana.
George is a happy banana.
Try another one. George is a funny banana.
George is a funny banana.
Try another one. Keep going. You've almost won a sticker. George is a funny car.
George is a funny car.
Try another one. George is a blue car.
George is a blue car.
Well done. You've won a sticker. Try another one. Danny Dog is a blue car.
Danny Dog is a blue car.
Try another one. Danny Dog is a big car.
Danny Dog is a big car.
Try another one. Danny Dog is a big monkey.
Danny Dog is a big monkey.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a green monkey.
Daddy Pig is a green monkey.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a green pig.
Daddy Pig is a green pig.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a green pumpkin.
Daddy Pig is a green pumpkin.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a green yo-yo.
Rebecca Rabbit is a green yo-yo.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a yellow yo-yo.
Rebecca Rabbit is a yellow yo-yo.
Try another one. Keep going. You've almost won a sticker. Pedro Pony is a yellow chicken.
Pedro Pony is a yellow chicken.
Try another one. Pedro Pony is a yellow frog.
Pedro Pony is a yellow frog.
Well done. You've won a sticker. Try another one. Susie Sheep is a yellow banana.
Susie Sheep is a yellow banana.
another one. Peppa Pig is a yellow banana.
Peppa Pig is a yellow banana.
Are you sure? Try another one. There are lots of fun games to play here. Feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 20 correct crackers you feed Polly.
Polly wants 2 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 yellow crackers.
Oops! Polly didn't get the crackers she wanted. Try again.
Polly wants 5 yellow crackers.
Oops! Polly didn't get the crackers she wanted. Try again.
Polly wants 3 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 yellow crackers.
Keep going. You've almost won a sticker. Oops! Wrong cracker. Try again.
Polly wants 4 red crackers.
Well done. You've won a sticker.
Polly wants more. Polly wants a red cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants a
Are you sure?
cracker.
Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Where's Polly? Oh dear, where's Polly? Help Peppa and George find Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Can you see your score? Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. Try the garden. 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 You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the lounge. Well done. You've won a sticker. You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? You've found her. Polly, where are you? Is she hiding in the bathroom? Well done. There are lots of fun games to play here. Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Can you see your score? Touch the cards to make a pair. Susie Sheep. Mr. Dinosaur. Susie Sheep. Great! Mr. Dinosaur. Super! George. Super! Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play here. Dot to dot. Peppa and George love to play dot to dot. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing star and draw a line to the next one. Well done. You've won a sticker. There are lots of fun games to play here. Stickers. Make a lovely picture with the stickers you've won. That looks lovely. What a smashing picture. That looks lovely. What a smashing picture. What a smashing picture. What a smashing picture. That looks lovely. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Stickers. Make a lovely picture with the stickers you've won. What a smashing picture. That looks lovely. That looks lovely.